the thing I said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less you say. You'll find that out anyway. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in ignorance. Nothing seems to go away. Over and over again.
What? The gun is making an arm so it doesn't even have to stop. Oh shit, you could even smell walkers. Ugh, squelch. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Oh. I came all the way over to cook you. Just to fight you. I have a surprise thing I'm going to look at. What?
Niggas be talking, but in the end I like fuck them up. In the beginning they couldn't survive, but they had no nuts. Bitch, when you graduated from, I said a school of horrors. Cause in your face, up in the streets, ain't never home with yours. Too fucking light, to try to fight. Stick you with knives, shoot you with knives and take your life.
Yeah, we know you niggas are fucking scared, cause we don't play around. Never wanna step a 3-6 mafia, put you in the ground. People say you bum, but we all know they just that liquor, bro. Niggas, when you hyper, all that hyper is from hitting that snow. If a member call me, then I'm gonna pack my yachts and roll.
Ain't no sunshine in this zone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when it's on. Cause when it's on, your niggas know to be gone every time. Cause we don't play. Yeah, every time. Cause we don't play. Yeah, every time. Cause we don't play.
It ain't no sunshine when the dark man comes out. And I want mine, so I plan to keep my gun out. We got 4 9s, so niggas running and run out. But I bust mine, cause I'd like to hear some shout. Get at me, dog, niggas know I was going dizzy. When it comes to that flow, I get busy. Who is it? Dark man, I'm the unknown. One dog, one bone. Now who ain't going home? Looks like you. You hit strike 1, talking shit, strike 2. Won't be a strike 3, cause I don't play fair. I'ma look you in your eye while he hit you from the rear.